Hello guys, welcome back to Vivo Test Solution. This is another tutorial. This is Vivo Y13. So the customer is having an issue to empowering this phone. We have looked for the power flex but unable to get it. So the power flex is damaged. So we're about to do in this tutorial. We're about to do the power jumper. So we want to bring out the power, trace the power IC where we can power this phone on. Even though we can't get the power flex, but we can construct something that we can be using to be on this phone even without the power flex. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and do well to give us a thumbs up, like and share this video so that YouTube can recommend this video. Now what you are seeing on the video right now is we are clearing the area because this phone, the power flex is a clip, so the IC for that power on is close to that clip, so that's why we are cleaning that area because we are doing the tracing and we found that it's close to that area, so we are doing the tracing at this point. So just have to clean those rubbers so I can easily run our construction smoothly. Alright, so just follow what I'm doing. We are almost there, my technicians. We're almost there. So that area you're seeing, that is where the IC is that powers on this phone. So I'm going to show you in few seconds now on what to do. Now I'm going to use a picker now to show you the particular IC. But at the end of this video, you will see a full footage, a picture on that particular IC that you're going to roll your jumper. But just follow this process closely. Now at this point, I'm trying to trace the power IC. Yes, the IC that can power on this phone with my picker. So there are various IC, so I'm trying to trace it, which of them will on this phone. So just watch and see. Watch. You see? So there is the IC. The IC is there. So that is the particular IC that can power on this phone. So we are going to run a jumper wire to that very IC that power on this phone now, and drag a head to that can make it to construct a button. So just watch what we want to do right now. Now this is the jumper wire. In case you don't know how to get a jumper wire, I will drop a description of how you can get yours. So please have a jumper wire, very tiny, that you can use to roll your jumper side. It will not disturb anything. Now let's check the result of what we have done. As you can see now, that's the particular IC that power on the phone. So we have run the jumper wire now to the button, as you can see right here. Thanks for watching guys. Like and share this video. Drop your comment at the comment section. See you in our next video.